Now, to solve this simultaneous equation using elimination, 5x minus 7y is equal to 27, then 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. So we begin by labeling the equation 1 and then 2. That's the first step. So for us to use elimination, let us rewrite the equations again. So 5x minus 7y is equal to 27, and then 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. So you choose the unknown that you would like to eliminate. Eliminate, it means you are going to remove it completely from the equation. So we are looking at x, so we multiply 2 up and then 5 down, y, and then we subtract y. Because when you multiply 2 times 5 is 10 minus 5 times 2, you get a 0. So you end up having negative 14y, where 2 times 7, and then minus 15y, which is 5 times 3, is equal to 2 times 27 is 54. Then 5 times 5 is 25. So we have eliminated x. So we have negative 29y is equal to 29. So we have 29. So dividing throughout, so we go ahead. So we shall have 29. So dividing throughout by negative 29, we end up having our y as negative. So we divide through by negative 29. So it's negative there. So you end up having our negative 1. So if we continue and eliminate now, we get to eliminate y and to get x. So because they have told us to use elimination, strictly elimination, so we use elimination to obtain the 2. So rewriting our equations, now we are eliminating y. So to eliminate y, we multiply the first equation with 3, and then the lower equation with 7, and then we add. So to add, we shall see that negative 21 plus 21, we end up getting 0. So we have 15x plus 14x is equal to 3 times 27, we have 81, and then plus 7 times 5, we have 35. So our 29x is equal to 116. If you have understood this, please consider subscribing and sharing it with your friends. So dividing throughout by 29, we finally get our x as divided throughout, we get our x as 4. Therefore, our x is equal to 4 and our y is equal to negative 1. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon. We meet in the next.